And this is where you guys are going to check in for your reservations. And in case you're not aware, this is Jiko's. This is at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jumbo House. See the decor? These are all your servers over here. It was worth the wait, thanks. Like a little kid in a candy store right now. Been waiting around all day to get these shots on this guy here. So if you guys get a chance to come on over here and check out this stuff, the detail, like the birds on the ceiling or the lighting and stuff like that, you've got all the cages all around. It's really a beautiful restaurant here. I got lucky, I got in before everyone started seating, so you get it nice and empty here. I feel like I broke into a bank or something, so bear with me if I'm a little shaky here. But this is where you guys are going to be served. These guys are serving you right here, your tables. It's awesome, and the detail to these poles and stuff like that. I'll get one right here for you. The details of the poles and the lighting are incredible. But yeah, if you get a chance, I'd definitely come. Me and my wife have eaten here before. It's an awesome place, and the people are real friendly. But it is Disney, so you're gonna deal with that all the time. And when you guys look outside, this is what you're gonna see outside. I'll get one more pan around before I get out of here. Don't put too much time in here. But what a beautiful restaurant. Even the detail to the plates, napkins, you know, the wine bottles up there and the trees. And the trees are made to look like they actually hold the wine bottles. That's really awesome. So once again, guys, this is Jiko's. If you get a chance, I do recommend coming on over.
I know, it's been
and when you get in, it's limited capacity right now, but there's your bar when you walk in right to the right. And that's about it, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you, man. You too. See if I can get in there, but they got some nice water out here right outside the window. So this is what you get to see outside your window. They got some waterfalls, and you get to see out a little bit the pool area there, depending on where you're sitting. So let's see if they're gonna get me in there.